2023 TL4. It's not every day that we discover a brand new asteroid, but when astronomers spotted 2023 TL4, they knew they had found something special and potentially dangerous. This asteroid, first identified in October 2023, is still fresh in the minds of space scientists. At just over 330 meters wide, 2023 TL4 might not be the biggest asteroid out there. But what makes it stand out is its proximity to Earth and the potential risk it poses. What really grabbed everyone's attention is the fact that 2023 TL4 has a small but undeniable chance of hitting Earth on October 10, 2119. Though the probability of a collision is a mere 0.00055%, the reality of an asteroid of this size impacting Earth would be disastrous. The force released upon impact would be equivalent to 7.5 billion tons of TNT, enough to cause massive regional destruction. If the asteroid struck over an ocean, we could see devastating tsunamis. If it hit on land, the consequences would be even worse. Massive craters, fires, and the possibility of a nuclear winter effect. Scientists have been quick to point out that while the odds are slim, the potential danger is far from negligible. Asteroids like 2023 TL4 are a reminder that our planet exists in a cosmic shooting gallery, with objects zipping past at incredible speeds. But don't panic just yet. Modern space programs, including NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, are constantly monitoring the skies for objects like this one. Should 2023 TL4's orbit become more problematic, the technology to divert such a threat is only getting better. For now, though, all we can do is keep a careful eye on it.